markers, and they are used before the nouns to mark them, to limit their meaning. We have already discussed regarding articles a and the. We have discussed regarding demonstrative adjectives, this, that, these, those, how they are used as determiners. Okay, we have discussed regarding this possessive determiners. Okay, his, her, their, mine. Okay, and we have discussed regarding the determiners of quantity and a number. Now some more topics regarding interrogative determiners you write regarding that. Interrogative determiners. Interrogative determiners. Okay, so what are the interrogative determiners? You write what, whatever, which, whose. Okay, all these are interrogative determiners. All these where they are WH words. Okay, or where there remains a question, where a question is asked, all these are interrogative determiners. Okay, so what you have to use for things, what is used for things. Okay, and whatever, in that context you have to use. Okay, if any one option you have to make, and which is used for inanimate things. Okay, and animals, non-living things, which is used. Okay, then it is used for animals. And whose, if you have to make a reference in terms of someone's ownership of an individual, then whose is used. For example, you see the examples. Which book do you want? Which book do you want? Whose notes? Whose notes are these? What time? What time do you reach office? Okay, so likewise it is used. Which book, inanimate object, non-living thing. So which book do you want? If it is an inanimate object, if it is an animal. Okay, so for that which is used, whose notes are these? Whose? They belong to an individual. Okay, so in terms of ownership, what you have used? Whose. What time do you reach the office? To ask about a thing or such kind of things, it is used. Okay, children. Then, so this is regarding the interrogative determiners. You should know how to use the interrogative determiners. Then regarding H and distributive numerals, you write distributive numerals. H, then every. Okay, so here H is also used for, so you write regarding H and everyone. H and everyone, regarding distributive numerals, H and everyone. So H is used for individual reference. If you are making an individual reference, for that what is used? H is used. And if you are making a reference for everyone, okay, so there everyone is used. You see the example, each dress is costly. Each dress is costly. So what reference is made? That every single dress is costly. Okay, an individual reference. Everyone should do his duty. Okay, so likewise it is used. You write the examples. Each dress is costly. everyone should do his duty. Okay, so this is how H and everyone is used. Okay, children. So this is used for what? This is a distributive numerals for distribution. Okay, purpose. These determinants are used. H, everyone. Some more are some. Okay. So if some quantity remains there, then some you can use. Okay. Some, any. So all these are the determinants. So is it clear to you? You write it. Then I will give you some examples. We will,
Yes, sir.
yeah, some examples we will solve. Some of the more determinants we have discussed regarding the interrogative determinants and regarding the distributive determinants. Okay.
Present, sir.
Yeah, you do it. Then the next we will discuss. I will give you some more examples. Some of the examples we discussed in the some exercise I gave you in the earlier classes. The more exercise you will do, the more you will learn. Okay, so you write it, then I will give you some questions to do so that you can learn more. So once you complete it, tell me, we will proceed for the next
Completed,
one.
sir.
Is there any student who has not done?
Done, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay.
Um,
So you do it, complete the following sentences by filling in A and the. Gold is precious metal. Okay, you just write first of all, and then we will discuss. He is not
Sir, please repeat the third point. Sir,
yes.
sir, please repeat the third point. It is blur.
Varanasi is blank holy city.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you write NA. Varanasi is holy city. I first met him blank year ago. Okay, then Ganga is sacred river. Then which is longest river in India. You write the next. Barking too loudly. Okay, so you write all this. What will come? All of you have written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what will come in first?
Yes,
Gold
sir.
is precious
A.
metal.
A.
And
Yes, gold is a precious metal. He is not
N.
honorable.
And
Yes, he is
and
not, yeah, an honorable man. Varanasi is holy.
A. A.
A,
Yes, a. Then I first met him year ago.
N.
an year ago. Year
an
ago.
year ago.
Yes, I met him a year ago. Then Ganga is sacred river.
The
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 Ganga
The
is
Ganga is
A.
an sacred
Ganga,
river.
the Ganga, particular,
The
the
Ganga
Ganga,
is A.
uh,
A sacred river.
And
the sacred, that is holy river, which is longest.
The.
the
Yeah, superlative degree before
Which is
super,
the longest river?
which is the
which
The
longest
is the
river.
longest river.
longest river.
Yes, dog is barking
The
too loud.
dog.
Yes,
the
okay.
dog.
A particular dog we are talking about. The dog is barking too loudly. A particular identity has been mentioned. Okay, so you do it. Then let me give you some more examples.
Completed, sir.
All of you have written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you do the next one. Next you do. We went to best restaurant in town. First of all, you write, then do. She didn't like music. Okay. So yeah. So we went to, what will come?
The
The
Yeah, restaurant. We went to the best restaurant. Okay. Superlative degree is there. She didn't like
The
music.
music.
the
the
Yes, the music. Okay, then I need,
N.
and
yes,
and
and
am I
am I
right?
right? I need an MRI. Okay. Ostrich would.
An ostrich would
Yes.
beat the
Yes.
chicken
An
in the
ostrich
race.
would
Ostrich
beat
would beat
the
an
chicken in the
ostrich.
race.
An ostrich would beat a chicken in a race.
Race.
Then sister
Race.
is
Is of
PhD. My sister
And
is
PhD.
a PhD. P sound is there, consonant sound is there. So my sister is
And
a PhD. All of you have written, all of you have done in your notebook. All of you have done in your
yes,
notebook.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So shall I write the next? Is there any student who has not written? Is there anyone who has not written?
Done, sir.
Okay. Likewise, students. Okay, so some, much, many, any, you have to use to fill in the blanks. Okay, little, okay, little, a little, likewise. Okay, so what will come in this? There is sugar in tin.
Any?
Yeah, there is sugar in tin. So what will come? There is,
Some.
yeah, it will come. There is some sugar in. Okay, so this is how some is used. Then is there paper in the file? Is there?
Any.
Any?
Yes. So likewise, any
is
is.
there any paper in the file?
Is there any paper in the file? Then how many do you have?
How many? Many.
How?
Much.
Much.
Yes.
Many.
In terms of money, much. Okay, how much? How much money do you have? I have money with,
Little.
Little.
I have money with me.
I have little money with me.
Yeah. So if you want to say I have, yeah. So what will come?
I have many money.
No, man.
I have a little
You
money
can,
with
Some
me.
money.
okay. So little, a little. Okay, you can say, so I have a little money with me, means some money. Okay, I have some money also could be used. I have some money. Okay, or you can say I have a little money. Then do you want to know about India? Okay, so here one more I will add.
Much.
More
Do you
about
want,
India.
do you want to know more about India? That was not there. I have not written. Okay, so do you want to know more about India? Okay, so likewise, all these are determiners, and how you have to use them, we have discussed through many examples. Okay, some more examples I will give. Okay, so just write.
So your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking.
Yes, sir.
I will check it. Okay, so some more examples I am giving you so that you can understand more. Fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. Fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. Okay, so I will write, you do it all together, then we will discuss. You do in your notebook. Okay, you write it. Write it. Some more I will write. Write it. Yes, students. So what will come? You write it, then you tell me what will come in the first one. First of all, write in your notebook, and then
The
write. He gave me novel to read.
A novel to read.
Novel. He gave me a novel. Okay, he gave me a novel. He gave me a novel to read. Honesty is best policy. So what will
The
come?
the
Yes. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. He asked me for money. He asked me for. He asked me.
Some.
Yes, yes,
Some
yes.
money.
Yes, he asked me for some money, but I didn't have.
Money.
I
Some.
didn't.
I
Determiner.
didn't have money.
I didn't. Any. Determiner is to be used. I didn't have any. Okay. I didn't have any. Man who came to me just now is a big businessman. Man.
The.
Yes, Aditya, repeat.
The.
Yes, correct. The man who came to me, the man who came to me just now is a big businessman. The man who came to me just now is a big businessman. Okay, how milk do you?
How much?
How much? Yes, correct. How much milk do you take daily? How much? Okay, so this is how much and a many. Okay, how blank chapatis do you eat? So what will come?
How
How
many?
many? Okay, how many? Then don't you have any friends in this? I have already written. Okay, so don't you have any friends in other sections? Okay, this was to be used. Any I have already used. She doesn't
Any.
expect any. She
Any.
doesn't expect any reward. Okay, so likewise, children, likewise, determiners are used. I hope you have got a very good knowledge regarding determiners. Okay, but more and more you need to make practice. The more practice you will make, the more learning will take place. Okay, so you have to keep on practicing, and the more you will make practice, the more you will learn. So still time is there. Some more I will give you. Okay, so this what we have discussed so far, is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, some more example. All this you have to write there in your notebook, and all the work we are giving there in the Google Classroom, that also you should do at the right time. And I have seen that only some of the people, they are submitting only 16 students. Okay, submitted the last homework uploaded on Google Classroom. So all of you should be serious about this. Okay, all of you should upload the given homework. Now you write the next one. Yesterday European visitor came to our school. I would like more tea. How pages are there in this book? Island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Okay, then write the next one. Earth revolves yes. Do it, children. Then we will discuss.
Completed, sir.
This is the this is the bus for I was waiting. Okay, then you do. Okay, so what will come in the first one? Yesterday, yesterday, European visitor came to our school. What will come? Yeah.
A.
Yes, yesterday a European. This reference of European has been came twice or thrice already. We have discussed European U sound. Before U sound, what will come? A will be used. Okay. So yesterday a European, though it is starting with E, that is a vowel, but the sound is that of consonant. That's why what will be used? Yesterday a European visitor came to our school. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
I would like
Some.
yes, I would like some more tea. Then how pages are there?
Many.
Yes, many, as it is countable. So how many pages are there in this book? Island is a piece of
Island.
an island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Then earth revolves around.
And Earth revolves around the sun.
The
No, sorry.
The earth.
The Earth.
The earth.
Yes, sir.
The earth, the sun, the moon. The
Earth
revolves around
the sun.
the sun.
yes, the earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. This is the bus for I was waiting. This is the bus. This is the bus in okay, this is the bus for which this is the bus for which I was non-living inanimate objects. Okay, animals. What is used? Which. This is the bus for which I was waiting. Okay, so you complete it in your notebook. All of you have completed. Yes, students,
Completed, sir.
all of you have done in your notebook. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it in your notebook. Okay. So regarding determiners, we have discussed. You do some more examples. Okay, the more practice you will do, the more learning will take place.